Hello! Wanted to share this brief tutorial on using AI to generate alt text for my courses. When you're generating alt text, there's a couple of things to think about. One is the differentiation between alt text and descriptive text. Alt text is shorter and is embedded within the HTML coding, and it needs to be less than 125 characters. Alt text is always required if the image is not purely decorative. Not all images need descriptive text, but some images can benefit from a longer form description of the image, and you'll have to make that call for your classrooms as the subject matter expert, but I'll show you how to do both. So we're going to navigate to our image. We're going to click Save Image As. Navigate to Google Gemini is the one I'm using now. Now you want to use good prompting strategies as you're doing this. Feel free to use this one. I like to give my large language model an identity. It helps give a little bit of context to that autocomplete process. The prompt that I'm currently using is "You are an accessibility expert, well versed in the WCAG 2.1 AA standards, specifically for academic settings. Please provide me with a 125 character or less alt text and a longer descriptive text for this image for a college level math class." I've defined an identity which gives me some context. I've defined what I want out of this inquiry, and I've defined the level at which I want it. We can then navigate up. I like to drag and drop from my recent download. If you already had this downloaded, you can of course click the plus sign here, navigate through your file storage, and upload the image that way. We're going to let it think about this for just a minute. Excellent. We've got our alt text right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. We can navigate back to My Courses. And if you go to the top right button of your text and media area, you can click Edit Settings. We can simply left click onto the image and you'll see this little picture icon pop up. Select that. Make sure that the top right "This image is decorative only" is deselected. We will copy and paste our alt text into that bottom left field, and you can see the 125 character limit. We can click Save, Save and return to course. Excellent. We will then navigate back to Gemini to grab our descriptive text. Navigate back to My Courses. And what I used here was a page. You can add it. That way you don't always have the descriptive text open on your My Courses. And you do that at the bottom. You'll go to Add Activity or Resource and select Page. I'm going to start with pasting my description from Google Gemini, and then I will give us a meaningful title. Save and return to course. You can then move the page up to being below your image. That way you can click for the full description, or you can close it so that it doesn't clutter up your My Courses page. I hope this helps, and as always, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to Teaching and Learning.